Welcome to Life Beyond Certificate channel. In this video I will be showing you how to earn $1,000 per day on CPA marketing. Please, before I proceed, I will encourage you to subscribe to this channel, so that you won't miss out of our current and future videos. First, let's begin with what is CPA marketing. CPA marketing is also known as cost per action marketing, is a form of affiliate marketing that companies of all sizes utilize to scale their marketing initiatives and reach a bigger audience. This is forming a partnership with a blogger, influencer, or publication who promotes your goods in return for a commission pay. When a customer purchases a product as a result of the affiliate's marketing efforts, the affiliate gets paid a commission to promote the advertiser's goods. The affiliate might, for instance, create a review, place a banner ad on their website, or upload a video to social media. Marketing only requires you to pay after the sale happens, in contrast to other forms of digital marketing strategies like cost per click, CPC, where you pay to display your brand without a guarantee of a sale. You can recover any payments paid to the publisher if the customer asks for a refund, because their earning potential depends on their capacity to draw and convert website traffic into paying consumers. The publisher in this arrangement bears greater risk than the advertiser. Next is CPA marketing strategy. A business, the advertiser, a publisher, the affiliate, and a CPA network make up the CPA marketing model, a platform that brings together affiliates who want to earn commissions by promoting products and businesses that want their products promoted. The best affiliate to promote a product is frequently found by advertisers via a CPA network. This affiliate is usually a publisher or influencer that produces relevant material and has a loyal following. The CPA network facilitates the pairing of affiliates and advertisers so that influencers can really recommend products and profit from each sale by doing so. Businesses can access a consumer base that they otherwise wouldn't have. Web browser cookies are used in CPA affiliate marketing to link consumer behaviors to a particular affiliate link or referral source, allowing publishers to be compensated for any sales they contributed to. There are three types of CPA marketing. The first one is pay per sale. After a customer purchases a product as a result of the affiliate's marketing tactics, the advertiser pays the publisher a percentage of the product's sale price. A commission is only paid to the publisher when a sale occurs. The second one is per action pricing. When a customer completes a certain action, like visiting the advertiser's website, subscribing to a newsletter, or signing up for a trial, the publisher is compensated. The third one is periodic payments. A recurring payments affiliate model makes sure the publisher is paid each time the customer makes a subsequent purchase, in contrast to many affiliate programs that only pay a one-time commission when a customer makes a transaction. Next is types of CPA networks are Max Bounty, Crack Revenue, Click Dealer, CPA Lead, Admitted, CPA Matica, Toro Advertising, and others. Next is terminology for CPA networks. To get started with affiliate marketing, you should be knowledgeable with fundamental terms and important indicators so you can assess the efficacy of your campaigns. A contract outlining the conditions of the affiliation between the advertiser and publisher is known as an affiliate agreement. The contract details each party's obligations as well as the commission a publisher will get in the event of a sale, typically a fixed percentage of the sale price. Chargeback. When a commission is taken away as a result of an unsuccessful sale, i.e. the item was returned or the customer requested a refund. Commission. A portion of a product sale price that is given to the affiliate in exchange for a conversion that can be linked to them. Cookies. Cookies make it possible for marketers to determine which affiliate should receive credit for a sale. Cookies provide each visitor to a website a special identification and keep track of their behavior there, including clicking an affiliate link. Text link pointing back to the advertiser's website that is embedded into an affiliate website. Conversion rate, the proportion of website visitors who become customers as a percentage of overall traffic. The cost of advertising divided by the quantity of actions taken is known as the cost per action, CPA. The cost per action, for instance, would be $15 if a company spent $150 on a campaign that had 10 activities. Cost per lead, CPL, the sum of money required to provide your sales team with a fresh lead. If you spend $1,000 on a PPC campaign and 10 users become leads, your cost per lead becomes $100. Earnings per click, EPC, the average sum you receive each time one of your affiliate links is clicked. ROI is the earnings from an affiliate campaign divided by the amount spent on advertising, multiplied by 100. Next is how to promote CPA offers. There are 100 plus ways to promote CPA offers, but I will be mentioning a few of them. First, Facebook. You can promote CPA offers through Facebook. You can also promote it on Pinterest. You can also promote it on YouTube, even on Twitter, Reddit and others platform, and start earning $1,000 per day. Next is how do you get paid? There are several payment methods that are supported by tons of CPA networks. You can get your payment via PayPal, bank transfer, Skrill, Payoneer, check, Western Union and others. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel, so that you will be notified when we drop new videos.